So I recently got sent out this dining chair set, and today I'm going to show you a really quick time lapse of us assembling this and putting it together, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that you guys might want to know about them. So when it came to the assembly, it took about 10 minutes per chair, and the cool part is the instructions are very clear. There's literally only about 6 steps, and they do even give you spare parts, which is really nice. The overall chair build quality also seemed very nice as well, so no complaints there. I was kind of curious if this was actually going to be real wood, and sure enough, it is real wood. We're also going to get rubber tips on the feet that you have to screw in, and this will protect your floor from getting marks like this. Basically, each leg gets 2 bolts, and then the back leg up there goes all the way up through the back. So when you're assembling it, that side is the one that gets the longer leg, the side with less cushion. So when it comes to the build quality, it's very nice. And when you guys sit in it, it's super comfortable. These little edges up top help keep you in the seat, and they hug you, and it just feels very comfortable. The fabric seems really nice as well. And most importantly, let's test out that cushion. It's very soft, but still firm and not too squishy. The cushion's the same up top, and then of course you get a matching set. So now let's go ahead and sit in one of these chairs and I'll tell you how they feel. So I think that they are the perfect height, and the actual backrest gives you a really nice back support. The backrest does go down a little lower. A lot of chairs will come up higher, but honestly, I think that makes it even more comfortable because my shoulder blades are able to just rest on the top. So very comfortable chair. I could see getting a bunch more of these being really nice for a dining room setup. And I also really like the color of the fabric. So anyways, if you guys are looking for some new dining table chairs, these are really beautiful. They're really comfortable and have real wood. So I think that these would make a great choice. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review and assembly.